So the next one is about setting up and start LucidChart. If you study FIT 9132 before, you will understand that LucidChart is one of the tools that you use to draw the ER diagrams. It is going to be quite similar for this unit as well. We are going to use the LucidChart to draw various diagrams, such as class diagram, sequence diagram, state chart. This is just an example. To draw the diagrams, of course, you need to go to the LucidChart official website, and then, of course, you can also search on Google for LucidChart if you want. Then, after you navigate to the website, you go to the top right corners to sign in using your Monash account. So remember, you need to sign in using your Monash account. In this case, you can share with each other and you can use the education premium functionalities. One thing to be reminded is if your LucidChart is asking you to pay a premium membership, it might be due to the LucidChart education plan expiration because you have used it before. To reapply, just go to this link in here, fill the form, and then you should be fine. Please do not worry about the expiration. As long as you have your student email and you apply, normally LucidChart is going to give you the education account back within 1 or 2 days. So please do not worry about that. Then the next one is about demonstration for the LucidChart in here. To use the LucidChart, what you need to do is go to the LucidChart panel and go to the new part and then go to create a blank document. So after you try to create a blank document, you will see all the panels in here with the information that is on the left. Please try to avoid creating from the template as they might ask you for premium features. So in this case, after you go to this information, you will notice that they have very limited shapes and flowchart information for you to drag and drop on the diagram. If you want to have relevant information that is related to this unit, you need to go to import data in here, and then click on the shapes, and then search for UML. After you type UML, they will show all the relevant diagrams that is related to the UML here, and you just need to use the selected shape, and all the shape that is going to be available is going to be in here. To use them, you just need to click on the icon and drag them to the canvas in here. So as you can see, we can drag use case diagram as example, and also this one is consider system boundaries in here. The LucidChart is just calling this one as container, but the functionality is the same. It's just a big boxes that you can use to enter the information, like just some system name. And if you want to connect the elements together, you can try to hover to the right circles, and then from the right circles, you can try to link the information together in here. You will notice that the lines is this kind of zigzag shape, which is not according to our requirement. So if you want to change the line types, you can change it from here. So this one is going to give you different options for changing the line styles. And also, if you want to have arrows, this is the place for you to enter the arrows. Please just be reminded that all this demo is just a demo. It's not telling you which one is right or wrong here. Please do not follow these instructions to draw your diagrams. You need to make sure you later follow the lecture slide to understand how to draw the diagrams properly. So in this case, for these diagrams in here, you need to add, if you want to have multiplicity, for example, you can add multiplicities in here, and then double click to enter the information if you want. So this is one way to show the information, and of course this is just a demo. Please do not follow it. If you want to add text content, you can add text content in here to add the information together. So this is ways to link the information and show the information appropriately. The next diagrams we are going to draw is the class diagram. And for the class diagrams in here, it's going to be available in here too. So normally we are going to use this kind of class diagrams shape, which on the top is the class name, the middle one is the attribute, and the last one is the operation, which is the method. So for example, the initial class diagram, we do not need to have anything that is on the method part, and then we can try to have the name of the attributes. Please make sure you follow the coding standard to name your attribute. So this is not a good way because this is more like a class name. In this case, we need to use, like for example, camel case in order to describe the attributes in here. And this is the class name you want to draw. So as usual, if you want to have another one, you can just try to Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to duplicate this record and try to link them together. And then if you find your text is too long, then you can try to make the length of the class a bit longer. And of course, if you want to have the linkage, you can have the linkage here and add multiplicities if you want. So I will repeat here again. This is just a demonstration of how to use LucidChart. Please do not completely follow it. You just need to know how to use the diagrams, then that will be all. We will be really glad that you can use the diagrams appropriately. And of course, to change the relationship notations, you can use different notations in here. For example, this is indicating aggregation relationship, and this is indicating composition relationships. This kind of details is going to be covered in the later stage of this unit, so please do not worry about it if you are not sure what does this shape mean. So this is the part about the LucidChart. Hopefully you get some ideas of using it. The next part of the tutorials will ask you to draw the 3 diagrams in here. So please make sure you follow whatever that is provided in the Moodle, which is located in here, and then draw the diagrams appropriately. So as usual, these diagrams have mistakes. This is just for you to learn how to use the LucidChart. It's not for you to just use them as examples. So please do not use them for your later assessment.